Right, this is Liberty stock number 50676, which is a TrueTech model TT-8000. It's ultra precision centerless profile grinding machine. It's equipped with TrueTech PP-8000 grinding fixture. Okay.
You got everything?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, we're wide open, powered up. Yeah. Walk around, show what you want to show, and then we'll make some things happen.
All right, why don't you take me around?
Well, which way you want to go? Through here, the main cabinet, just kind of show. I said we're up and ready to go here. We can pick out a program. The controls are up right up front here. Frequency drive here for the spindle. I think it's set at 3,000. I'm not going to play with it. Up on top, I said main spindle, rag wheel, and secondary controls for the table. Table axis is down low after you're done up there. Come down to the lower right. That's for table. Jog with the speed pots and spindle. You can turn on the spindle right there or turn it on at the main console. Chiller, I'm sorry, coolant system, I guess?
Yeah.
Right here, yeah. And before you go farther, you want to swing around to the cabinet, or you want to do the rest of the machine here?
Yeah, we'll go turn around.
All right. Just, there it is. Hook on top, and
There's wheels and some miscellaneous in the cabinet.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's pretty much it. Nothing more on the backside, really. Other than that, come around the front. We can jog a few things, maybe pick a part program out here, and just to get into a jog mode, I can move 3 axes and turn on the spindle. That's pretty much where we're at for now. See the blue light on? I've already homed it, so we're homed. It's good to go where we're at. I can just pick, like I say, pick this part right here, and double click, let it load in there. We're good to go. I'm not worried about my limits right now. I'm just going to cancel out of that. It's probably going to ask me to home again, I think. Yes, we can cancel out of that, and because we already did that. And I think, let's see, jog off. Is that off? Now let me see if it turns back on again. Jog is on. There we go. So now I can jog and turn on the spindle. Pull back. I'm going to turn on the spindle down here. Wheel on, which is the same as that guy right there. Or I can turn it on. Let's see. I think it works right here too. And that'll power up the spindle here. Look and listen. If you want to come in on the touchpad here, for the MITS drive, if you're coming close, 3,000. You got RPM on the display. Hard to see, but it's there. And if you come back over, we'll shut it down, let it coast down for us. Oh, that's right, you can't turn off here, you can only turn on. I have to turn off at the other switch over here. Got to find it. Here it is, wheel off. Done deal there. That's shutting down. Meanwhile, axis 1 and 2 are Z and Y, and of course here's X-axis or table. I think I've got table right now. Let's see. Yep, there's table. And here's the pot to control it. So we get over to the stop here, and then lower the pot way down. Moving slow or much faster. Lower that back down. That's axis number 3. Axis 1 is up, down. I'm going to come down a little bit. You see the hand wheel up there? And I'm not going to play with the pots, but they all work. Go back up a little bit. It ramps up real nice. They're set pretty good. Same thing with Y over here, Z. Axis number 2, go in a little bit. Come back out. And you see it clocking on the screen if you want to shoot over just for a minute here. You see axis 2 position. Watch. So that's that. And here's 1 again. Stay there. Axis 1. Go back up. You can hear it. And lastly, I don't know whether the reg is on here, but the reg is reverse forward on. I'm going to turn it on here, and that's the reg speed right there. So on, and it's rolling. You kind of get in there real close. I'm going to slow it down off the pot and then speed it up. Here, slower, and then we'll speed it up. Moving right along. And as you can see, we all, got the roller right there, the pin. I'm not putting it out. And off. Let's see if it's clear. I just didn't know if we have speed up here. I was looking to see if the reg speed is on here. Maybe you just got to read the numbers on the pot. But anyhow, yeah, that all works. So roller off. And that's a done deal. Everything works on this machine.
It's great.
There you go.